Let's learn how to delete your Binance account. I will show you this tutorial on PC, but the method is very similar and for phones too, so you can get it very easy. Now what you need to do is to go to your application, open it, now find user center and click on security. That's first in the row. Once it loads, you can just scroll down to the end of the page and you will see here account management. There are two options: disable account and delete account. If you really want to delete account, note that this is irreversible. So once you get deleted, you can't get it back. So I suggest you to disable it first if you want, because it will save you your transactions and everything, and you can get back your account whenever you want. But if you still wish to delete account, continue by pressing this button here. Now for the reason, you can write your own descriptions or just say no longer want to use this account. Now click continue. Here they will say something that isn't important. If you really want to delete your account, just click on continue. Right here is something. As you can see, I have nothing on my balance. You need to check this I agree and accept and click this button and you will get your account deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.